Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Siri and search for photos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Photos. At the top here, tap on Siri and search. Then tap on Learn from this app if you want to switch it off. So allow Siri to learn from how you use photos to make suggestions across apps. So if you don't want Siri to learn from this app, you can switch it off or turn it on. Now the next section is the searching. So you can show the app and its content in the search result or not. By tapping on the toggle button to switch it off, it will not show the app in the search, and below that is the content in search, so you can choose whether to show or hide the content in search. And the last section is the suggestions section, which Siri can suggest photos content on the home screen in app and in notifications. And that's it. So down here you can control whether you want to have it on or off. So simply switch on the toggle button and turn off any functions that you don't want to use. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.